Welcome to EasyRouter's video tutorial for vCarve Pro. In this video we're going to walk through putting text in another object. So I'm going to do text inside of a square. So I'm simply going to draw a square. Got a 10" by 6" square, which is obviously a rectangle. Okay, now we're going to do our text. Select your font. Type in what you want it to say. Select your text height, which I'm going to do 2 inches, and apply that. Okay, I want to center my text in my rectangle that I've drawn. So the first thing I'll do is select my text, hold down the shift key, and select the rectangle. So now everything is highlighted. Underneath the align objects section of your tools, you will use your center objects tool. And when you click that, you'll see that the lettering or the text is now in the center of the rectangle. Okay. In plasma cutting, if you were to cut this circle out, you'll notice that the center of the circle would also fall out, so you would have a big hole here. Okay, in order to keep this circle when you're plasma cutting, to make it actually look like a O instead of just a big hole, we're going to do some tabs. So a good way to tab a circle, simply select your draw rectangle tool, okay, and draw you a little rectangle. Okay, on the top, and I like to do the bottom as well. Now what we can do here is, since we have this rectangle here, we can hold down Control and hit C, and then once again hit Control and hit V. What that'll do is copy and paste whatever you have highlighted. Now I will drag this down using my down arrow straight down to the bottom of the O. Now, using my scissors tool, I will come in here and trim the vectors that I don't want. Okay. One thing I left out, if you're doing letters, notice that when I click one letter, it highlights the whole thing. First thing we have to do is convert this text to curves using our Convert Objects to Curves tool. So with the letters highlighted, we will convert those objects to curves, and now we can cut. So we'll select our scissors again, zoom in here, and trim out the vectors we don't want. And now you can see that when the plasma cutter cuts out the O, it's actually going to cut this half a moon shape here and half a moon shape here, and you'll actually be able to tell that isn't an O. Thanks for watching my video tutorial on text inside of another object.